Tim Dawson with Edmunds Automotive. Today I have a 2017 Ford Taurus Sel. This Taurus has a clean Carfax. It also got the well-maintained badge from Carfax as well, which means it's had all its proper maintenance done. Let's take a look at this thing real fast. All right, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. You can see there's no scuff marks on the rims. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. We've also completed a 150-point inspection on this Taurus. We also put a warranty on everything that we sell too. The warranty is good for 30 days. We also offer extended warranties too. Now this Taurus is a non-smoker. You can see there's no rips or tears in the seats, no cracks or fading in the dash, and you're gonna have a power passenger seat as well. One nice thing about these Tauruses, a lot of room in the back of them. Plenty of room back here for your passengers. Again, you'll see there's no rips or tears in the seats back here. This Taurus is very clean inside and out. Now you will have a backup camera and backup sensors on this car. This Taurus has a huge trunk, plenty of room for cargo back here. Now you can fold these seats down flat if you need to. We also offer financing as well. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit. Guys, if you have any questions about this Taurus, my name is Tim. Feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. If you need more photos, another video, just let me know how I can help you out. Be more than happy to help you any way I can. Now let's hop in the driver's seat and I'll show you some more features on this car real fast. Of course, you do have power windows, power locks. You're gonna have a power driver's seat as well. Again, there's no rips or tears in the seat. We'll hop in and start this car real fast. One nice thing about this Taurus, it does have dual temperature, so you can set one temp and your passengers have another temperature as well. Super nice to have. Mentioned earlier, you got a backup camera. This car is equipped with Bluetooth and cruise control. The nice thing about Bluetooth, be able to sync your phone, play all your music. Again, if you have any questions about this 2017 Ford Taurus, please give me a call or text on my cell phone, 309-310-3034. Thank you.